Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So I'm here in St. Louis today and I'm staying in this hotel Hampton Inn. As you can see, a big US flag here. This is very near to the airport. In fact, you can see airport parking boards, as you can see here. Sky Park, Easy Park, a lot of these facilities are here. And this hotel is offering free airport shuttle as well. You see, things are going around. And there are a lot of hotels are here. Marriott is just next to it. This is Pier Tree Inn and this is Hampton Inn. So I have taken a room and I have paid $184 for one night. So parking is included. You can, if you come here, you can park either in these spaces, or you once you check in, you can park even inside also. There is a covered not what you call enclosed parking area. There you can park. So now I'm gonna give you some overview of this hotel and facilities. So in front of me is the reception. Okay, they have a lot of facilities like pool, gym and other things. We'll go through all of that. Okay, so first we are gonna enter here. Like I'm entering the hotel here. As you can see, automated doors. Just right to it is reception. And they have like coffee and other beverages served 24 hours, and Wi-Fi is also included, and the speed is good, no doubt. And they have a big breakfast eating area, breakfast room. The timing for breakfast is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. so tomorrow I will try it. Wow, big table and some other tables too. So they have all facilities. Okay, this is the hot beverage area, smoke free location, and they have a business center. You can use this PCs if you want to. This is lift, and they have the rooms, and ice dispenser is available on every floor, and they have vending machines if you want to buy something. Good, this was not available in my previous place. Now we'll go cover the other areas. They have meeting room, and you can see the status bracket. They have restroom, fitness center. I'll give you a tour of fitness center. Oh, it's locked, so I need to use my key. Wow. Okay, perfect.
Looseness to the way Boston played these last two games, obviously blowing a big lead in the previous game at home. A certain looseness.
Okay, and they have a television also. All right, towels. Okay, yeah, they have good facilities, no doubt. And you don't need to buy water. You can use these machines to have water. That's good. And now I'm taking you to the pool room. I'm on the first floor now, and it's 3 floors only. This hotel is not like it's not a high rise. Yeah, they have stairs, fire exits, housekeeping, storage. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the pool area. Right now here is no one because temperature is in 20s, but still it's not high enough. Let me see if I can enter. Yes, I can enter. Now pool looks neat and clean. It's good. And as I said, it's airport area, so a lot of parking facilities are around. So just next to this hotel, you can see like they have easy parking lot. There's a parking company, and you can come here, park and fly. A lot of people do that. And they have water dispenser over here also. So overall, as I said, this hotel is like very good. 1 to 3, how many floors? 1 2 3 4 5 floors. I apologize, I just said 3, but it's more than that. And it's good. They have patios also, you can come here and enjoy. So overall 184 a night. Of course I have taken a big room, that's why I'm paying that much, including all taxes, and Wi-Fi included, and again breakfast included, and parking included as well. So all these facilities I have. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.